video looks fine, I guess. Maybe I should have something else in the background. Like 2 years ago, I printed out these pieces for the Combine Grunt from Half-Life Alyx. In this video, I'm going to show you the different steps I took to assemble and sand this 3D print. Now I'm going to do a few parts for this cosplay, maybe not as many parts as I did for the Spider-Man suit video, but I'm at least going to do a few parts where I show you how I sand the helmet and how I painted it and all these different things I did for it. Also, I didn't take this off yet, so I'm going to do this real quick. That probably was horrible. Anyway, here's a bunch of B-roll footage and voiceover of me talking about how I made this helmet.